Hello, today I'm going to change the exhaust system on my Honda XBR500. I got these silencers that I'm currently sitting on. I think they may be the original ones. The number here indicates that. But some previous owner probably removed or cut off the end of the silencer and probably removed all the I think the system is a bit too loud for my taste, so I'm going to change this to this one. They're called Viper, and from the web page where I bought it, it said on a scale from 1 to 10, where 1 is the original silencers and 10 is straight pipes. This should be about 6. So I just get started and see if I can get them to fit, and I'll come back to it. You can have a listen at what it sounds like before. I finished installing the new silencers. I think I got them to fit quite well. Always some difficulties. This is universal silencers, not made for this bike, so there's always some challenges to get clearance all the way. I think it looked quite good. Gonna start it up and now listen to how it sounds. Well, I think I pretty much got what I wanted. A bit more quiet, but not too quiet. I think they look quite good. Bye.